WPsites.net. How you doing? I've just seen your question on the WooCommerce community Facebook page. You want to add the category link before the add to cart button on shop page archives. So I'll show you one way to do it and then you can do the work yourself. So we'll go to a single product page and let's just inspect the category link. And we find it's got a div class posted in. So what we can do is we can copy that and then we can go into WooCommerce. So go into your WooCommerce folder and let's search for this div and we'll find the PHP code. So it's in the meta.php file. So we'll go in there and we can find the code for both the category list and the tag list. So what we want is we want the code for the category. So we'll copy that. And note up here we've got a global product variable. We need that as well because that's included in the code. So I'll go on my test site, which is livetest.shop, and in the functions file we'll just paste that in there. Now you should really use FTP, but I'll just show you how to do it on the live test site. Remove the PHP tags, we don't need that. Now what we need to do is we need to find a hook. So we'll go to Business Bloomer because he's got a really good hook guide. And we go down here and it looks like you want to hook it in somewhere here. So one of these two hooks. So we'll take this hook here, the WooCommerce after shop loop item. And we'll add an added action. We need a function name. Hook cat link, the name of the function, and we need to add that global variable, because we've got the product variable here and we need that data. Global product. We need a closing curly bracket. And let's go to the test site. We'll go to the shop loop page. So we want to hook it in here somewhere. Click update. Oh, we might have an error. Need a closing semicolon there. So that's it. So let's load up the shop page. And what have we got? Clear caching. Let's change the hook. Didn't work. We need to echo it, that's why. And here we go. We've got the category link here. You've got some text in there, so you can modify that. you can remove it from the code in here, but that's pretty much just a basic way of finding a simple function and hooking it in using one of the WooCommerce shop page hooks. Hope that was helpful. I'll publish a tutorial on wpsites.net. Cheers.